So you saw the previous video on how to use QWIKboard with Teams, Microsoft Teams. In the event that you want to send the entire OBS screen, that means my picture, the background with the matrix and the QWIKboard, we'll send all of that in a screen over to Teams. Essentially what you'll do is down here there's this selection called Start Virtual Camera. So we'll start that. And we'll turn that off for now. And then what we do, we go to Teams, and you have to open up Device Settings. And under Camera, you select the OBS Virtual Camera. And so what's going to end up being shared with all of the users is this desktop here. So if I go this desktop with the matrix background and my image, now I can go share from my desktop that I'm sharing in OBS Studio. You can see the diagram. But now I can go onto my iPad and I can start drawing there. Similarly, if you take that URL and paste it into the chat, people can click on that and they can join your virtual session and they can interact with it the same way, right? Just like that, super easy.